So, hi dear Leo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general you versus them energy check in for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you're going to watch this video, it is going to be applicable for you guys at that moment. So, I'm going to check your energies from your side, from their side, and where this connection is heading. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start, Leo. Let's see from your side what we have. We have the Six of Cups, the Four of Swords, and Nine of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Pentacles. You're very much focused on money, job, career, your overall stability in your life. It's like you miss somebody a lot. You miss someone a lot, but you are at a distance from them. It's like a deliberate distance. Your guards are up. Your guards are very high. It is somebody who hurted you, who hurt you in some way, shape, or form in the past. And now I think this person is like wants to come back around. They want to heal the situation between you and them. They want to give you all everything that they were not able to give you in the past. Now they are ready to give you everything that they never gave you when you guys were together. Okay, but your guards are very up. You are wounded. You are in this energy of being very guarded about this particular person or situation. You are in this energy of, even if this person is coming back around, you are not taking them back, or you feel like you should not take them back, even if you feel love towards them, even if you feel care towards them, even if you still from time to time you still feel like, okay, you should give them a shot, you should give them a chance, but you are energetically in this energy of, no, I should be focused on money, job, career. I should be focused on things or people or situation that gives me the stability, that gives me the happiness, that gives me this energy of um, productivity, that gives me this energy of, yes, I am something for them. Okay, so yeah, this is your energy. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to. We have the Ten of Swords, the Three of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles. Yeah, this person is not able to accept that the situation is gone. You are gone out of their life. One day they're like, okay, I accept the ending, I accept the situation, this is gone, this is done. At least if this situation is not gone or done completely, they're in this energy of one day realizing that this situation is never going to be the same again. One day they are very optimistic that, yeah, might be this situation is going to work out again, let me try again. It's like back and forth kind of energy, where one day they are like quite optimistic and positive that everything is going to work out. Another day they are like, okay, Leo is gone, Leo is done with me, me and Leo are never going to be together again. It's like this person is not able to accept the fact that this is gone, this is done. For some of it could be very much possible that they're ending things with somebody else to be with you, but still they're going back and forth. If like for some of you, for most of you, this is an ending, this is a breakup, this is a separation, but they're not able to accept the situation for what it is. Instead, they're going back and forth about it. It's like, yes, we are together, we are not together, we can be together, we cannot be together. They are on the crossroads, they're not able to understand what is happening. According to them, the situation is up in the air. According to you, it's done, it's gone. Okay, they are in some another kind of delusion or illusion regarding the situation. They still have this hope that might be me and Leo are going to be together in the coming future. If not right now, we guys are going to make it work out in the coming future, because right now Leo is pissed off or they're not talking to me, but they still love me. They have this delusion right now as well, that they love you, you love them, sorry, right? Let's see for the connection what we have. Yeah, this is ending. This is ending. Even the friendship is not possible in this situation. This is the end of this chapter. I think even if you guys are going to try to remain friends with each other, and even if you guys are going to ignore the fact that you guys were in a relationship at some point of time, or you were in love with each other at some point of time, this is not going to work out, Leo. Even if you're going to say to this person, okay, let's be friends only, and let's never talk about a relationship kind of a deal, I think this situation is not going to work out. Slowly but surely, this situation is leading to a permanent breakup or permanent separation. Slowly but surely, this situation is leading to this energy of you guys not being even friends with each other at all in the coming future as well. I think it's the dead end of the situation. 10 of swords, the death card, the hermit, it's gone. One of you is giving up on this situation 1000% this time. It's like the other person is still in this kind of delusion or illusion that this energy, this connection, this situation is going to work out in the coming future. Even if it is not working out right now, it will definitely. Somebody is still waiting for this connection to work out somehow magically in the coming future. But one of you is, I think you are the one who is completely done with the situation. The other person is still in living in some kind of delulu. Today in these times we call it delulu. One of you is still living in some kind of delusion that, yeah, it is going to be fine, everything is going to be fine, we are going to be together, this will happen, that will happen. And one of you is completely out of the situation, they're nowhere to be found. So I don't know who is in delusion here, but their delusion is going to break very very soon, and they are going to feel the pain at that time, not right now. Right now they're hopeful, right now they're positive that it is going to work out somehow magically. I don't know how. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.